Welcome to our demo on international shipping. Today, we'll show you how to create an international label and its customs declaration, also known as a commercial invoice, directly within Shippo. All international packages go through customs and are subject to customs duties and fees, so it's important to accurately declare the items you're shipping when creating a label. Shippo makes this process super easy. To get started, head to your orders page. If you're creating an international order manually, simply click on the Create Label button and enter the sender and recipient information for your order. Note that most carriers require a phone number for the recipient, so make sure to include that before you move on. Next, you'll see a few fields that need to be filled out for customs. These include the content type, Incoterm, and name of authorized person for your order. Content type describes the items in the shipment. Shippo defaults to merchandise, but please select the value that best describes your shipment. Next, you'll be required to select a value for Incoterm. Incoterm refers to who is responsible for any duty, tax, VAT to be collected. By default, Shippo sets this to DDU, which means the recipient is responsible for paying any taxes, etc. Now, you'll be asked to enter the name of authorized person. This refers to the responsible person providing customs details and is generally the person filling out the declaration. This defaults to the sender address name. If your shipment needs a tax ID, like a VAT number or EIN, you can add that too. These IDs are used to determine how a merchant is taxed. In the United States, the tax ID is called the EIN, or Employer Identification Number. In Europe and many other parts of the world, VAT numbers are used instead. VAT stands for Value Added Tax. If you're shipping to the EU, you may need to provide an IOSS number as well. All these details can be added or updated in the Customs Declaration section of the order. Next, you'll need to fill out the Customs Items section. This is where you list everything that's going to be shipped in the package, to declare what's being shipped. These details will be printed on the Customs Declaration, which the Customs Department will use to calculate any applicable customs fees and duties. To add a customs item, click Add Customs Item. Fill in the details. Then click Add. Repeat these steps for each item in your package. Shippo will automatically total the quantity, weight, and value of the items so you can see everything neatly calculated here for you. Once your items are added, enter the package's dimensions and weight. When everything looks good, choose a shipping rate and click Buy to purchase your label. Now, let's talk about customs declarations. As a reminder, every international shipment requires a customs declaration. You'll also hear the term commercial invoice, which is just the official, physical document that's created from the customs declaration, and it travels with the shipment. The good news is that for most UPS, FedEx, and DHL Express shipments, Shippo will automatically submit the signed commercial invoice electronically. This process is called paperless trade, meaning there's no need for you to print or attach forms because everything is handled electronically. If you're shipping with USPS, the customs information is built right into the shipping label itself, so there's no need to print a separate commercial invoice. So if you don't see a download button for the commercial invoice, that's because it was part of the label, as you can see here. Now, if you receive a message that the shipment is not eligible for paperless trade or that the electronic submission was unsuccessful, don't worry. You'll just need to print 3 copies of the commercial invoice, sign them, and attach them to the outside of the package in a clear pouch. You can download the commercial invoice by clicking the option on your orders page or your shipments page. And that's it. If you have any questions, check out our help center or reach out to our support team by simply clicking the help button in the bottom left-hand corner. We're happy to help. Happy shipping!